Video, we're going to take a how to model a spoon, which is of this one. This is the one actually what I want. If I just look into this, so this is how the spoon will going to look like. So if I want to do this, so we need to have the certain sketches, the dimensions what I need to consider. So to do that, first I will go for this screen, that is a Fusion screen, and then you click on this. Now you know this is the profile what I want to create. So to do that, I will go for sketch, click on the top plane, and I will go for circle. So I'll just go to the circle. Before that, first I will go to draw a line of any construction line of length. Take any length, then go for dimension. Take this dimension as 35. Okay. So the first thing is I have taken this dimension. Now I want to draw a circle of diameter 25. So to do that, I will just go for circle, remove construction line, and now you just take the diameter as 25, and the center point of this should be horizontal to this one, and similarly the coincident, the quadrant point of this on this, it will be matched. Similarly, on this side, I will go for circle, select some arbitrary point, then I'll go for dimension, take this dimension diameter as 10, and I want this to be horizontal with reference to this. Then coincident, this circle, this circle with reference to this. So we have these two. Once you do that, now we will go for arc. What I want is, I want to draw a radius of 31 tangential to this circle and also to this circle. So to do that, I will go for create, go for arc, select 3-point arc, select some arbitrary point, and similarly you select some arbitrary point and then take the radius. Now I'll go for constraint, select tangent, select this circle tangential to this, and now I will take this another end of this and I will try to move it out. Okay, and I will click here. Then again go for tangent, select this one tangential to this arc and give the dimension of this radius to be 31. Once you do that, now I want to mirror this, go to mirror, select this arc, mirror to this line. Okay, then click on OK. So this is the actual dimensions of the profile what I want. I will remove this constraints and I will select these portions and you see how this will going to look like. Okay. Similarly on this side, now you take 35 here and go to fit. Okay. This is the actual dimensions of this profile what I want. Now I want to remove this extra, whatever it has been there, I will remove that and I will go for trim, select this profile and this side which I need to trim this. Once you do that, you just go to finish sketch and go to 3D now. So now we come down to this one. I want to create this profile where I want to create by using the sketch on the front plane. So now again, first I want to draw a line which is of any construction line. From here, you take any length and go for dimension. Select this dimension as 35. Then again you go for line, select some arbitrary point and draw a vertical line. Go to dimension, select this and give the dimension as 5. So what we have done, we have taken this 35 and this 5. I want to create one more. This horizontal vertical line should be 12.5 from the origin. So go for dimension, select between these two, give the dimension as 12.5. Then I will go for create arc, 3-point arc, remove construction, select this endpoint and to this endpoint onto this. So once you do that, you just go to finish sketch and go to 3D. Now you come down to the surface, click on patch. The moment when you click on patch, so boundary edges, I will take this as the boundary edge and then interior rails, I will select this portion. So now you have the concave surface here and click on new body. So this is how you will be able to create this the spoon with the depression on the inside. This you have the profile now. Now again, now we will go for the next profile here. I want to create this. So to do that, again I'll go for 3-dimension. Now you click on sketch, click on the top plane now. Okay. I will take the circle and draw one circle of any diameter. And I will go for constraint, select horizontal or vertical, select between these two. Okay. Then go for dimension, give the dimension as 25. Again, I want coincident. This circle is coincident with this. Then again, I want to draw a line dotted, that is construction line, which is at 1.2 mm. So I'll go for line, select this construction line, and I will draw the construction line on this and go for dimension between this with reference to this. Give it as 1.2 now. Now once you do that, now we have the bodies. You remove this body. So these are the profiles what I want. And I will go for trim, select this portion now. Okay. Once you do that, now the sketch has been, the top view sketch has been completed. Again, I'll go for finish sketch and go to the next profile, which I want this one. So to do that, I will go for sketch, click on the front plane. Okay. Now you enable bodies. Now I will go for line, select some arbitrary construction line of any length. Okay. Then again, I want to draw at some arbitrary point, then draw a line of 85 mm. So to do that, I will go for pan, take it out, go to line, remove construction, select some arbitrary point and then drag this line of any length, go to dimension, select this dimension as 85 and the angle between these two, I want it as 15 degree. Select this line with reference to this one, give it as 15 degree. Okay. Now I want to draw an arc passing here tangential to this line and to this point, which is having a radius 10. So to do that, I will go for create, go to arc, select 3-point arc, endpoint of this to endpoint of this and give the radius now. So the tangent automatically it is taken there. Now I will go for dimension, go to radius 10. Okay. So now if you want, I will again go to double ensuring that it is a tangent. It's already constraint has already been applied to the selected sketch. Now once you have this, okay, now I will go for finish sketch and go to 3D. Now you remove the bodies. Now we have the actual profile. Now you will go for create, go to sweep. So what I want to sweep? I want to sweep this line along the path of this now and then enable body. So now we have the path. Again, you want to create the new body. You just click on this. Once you do that, I want to stitch between these two. So go to stitch, select this and you select this. So you have a green this mark where that is the intersection where these two will going to be stitched together. So you just click on OK. Again, you have this new body. Now once you do that, now we want to create this one. So to do that, again, I will go for the sketch. I will click on the top plane. So once you do that, now you draw a circle, or I will just click on this portion. I'll just go to create, go to circle. Okay. Select this arbitrary point and then I will draw a circle. Go to dimension, give the dimension as 25. Then I want to go for horizontal between these two. Then coincident this portion with reference to this. So once you do that, now this portion is over. The next is, so I will create this construction line. Okay, go to line, select this construction line, draw a line of the length 81. So go to dimension, select this and give the dimension as 81. Then go to circle, click on this and remove the construction, give the dimension as 10, diameter is 10. Now I want to draw a line, select some arbitrary point here and I will keep that point here. Okay. Now again go for dimension between these two, that is go to dimension, select this line and this, go to angle as 1.5 degree. Now you have this portion and go to constraint, tangent, select this one, tangent to this. Now I want to draw an arc. So go to create, go to arc, select 3-point arc, select this one and on this, and you take this point here. Okay. Now go for dimension, select this one, radius is 10. Okay. Then go to constraint, tangent, select this line with reference to this arc. Okay. Now once you have this, now we will go for mirror. Go to create, go to mirror, select this line and this one, mirror with reference to this portion and click on OK. Now once you do that, remove constraints here. So these are all the dimensions what I want. Okay. Similarly on this side, I want to trim this portion. Okay. And on this side also, I will trim this. Okay. Now we have the entire thing completed and go to finish sketch. Now you go to bodies and go to 3D now. Now you go for trim, select this portion of the trimming tool and remove this entire portion here. Okay. Then click on OK. Now the body has been created here with this profile, and then I will go to sketch and I will disable sketch. And now if you see this, actually this is how the spoon of the surface model which can be able to create by using Fusion 360. And now if I want to have the thickening, I will go for select on this portion. Okay. Now you just click on OK now. So once you do that, so this is the body wherein you have the thickness of the spoon as 0.7 mm thick, and I will go for appearance and go to paint, go to glossy and select this yellow paint and then click on OK. So this is how you will be able to create the 3D model of the spoon by using the surface modeling. Thank you.